Does your product insert card look like one of these? You know, the ones that say thank you for your purchase and please kindly leave a product review and so on. Well, not many of your customers are leaving you reviews, right? I know, because I've tried this type of insert card strategy before and it just doesn't produce results. Your customers do the exact same thing that you do when you get one of these cards with the products that you buy. You throw them right into the trash. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a smarter, more powerful insert card strategy that I've been using for years that not only gets you way more reviews to help you boost your sales, but it also lets you build an email list of your Amazon customers so that you can retarget them, all by making a small change to the insert card. Take a look. These are my insert cards. Notice anything different? There's no thank you message or anything about leaving a review. Shoppers don't care about that. The goal here is to catch your customers' attention and get them to take the action on the card. And that's where your insert cards fail. The call to action messaging on my card is clear. There's no confusion. Scan this QR code to get a free $5 gift card. Now, who wouldn't want that? And a pro tip, I print this on both sides of the card so it doesn't matter which way it's facing, they can't miss it. And because the value proposition is so tempting, the likelihood of your customers scanning the QR code is extremely high. So what happens after they scan the QR code? Well, here's what makes this strategy really powerful. To claim their free gift, which can be a gift card, a discount code like a 20% off their next purchase, a free bonus item, an extended warranty, ebook, or whatever you want, your customers simply scan this QR code, which takes them into your own customized lead funnel, where you can collect their contact details to not only allow you to build your own email list, but you also get the ability to retarget and market to them in the future. And what's even more powerful, this funnel is smart. It interactively collects their product feedback in a special way that helps you avoid getting bad reviews shared on your Amazon product listing. And I'll show you exactly how easy that works in 3 easy steps. On the first step, your customer selects what they bought from you and enters their order ID so you can verify their purchase. Then they give their feedback on your product by choosing from the following options: very satisfied, somewhat satisfied, or very dissatisfied, and so on, which is key to what happens in the next few steps, so pay close attention. On step number 2, the funnel collects their contact details so that you can deliver their gift, and more importantly, you can add them to your own email list so you can retarget them in the future or create powerful customized audiences for your advertising campaigns. Now, on the final step, step number 3, the funnel asks them for their written review, and here's where all the magic happens. This is what makes this funnel different from any other lead funnel. Notice down here, there's a button that asks your customer to share their experience, which when clicked, it automatically copies their written review and takes them directly to your product review page for them to share their review. It's literally that easy. So you're probably wondering, what makes this a smart funnel? Well, remember back in step 1, if they didn't say that they were 100% satisfied with your product, for example, let's say they only were somewhat satisfied, then back on step number 3, the funnel won't show them the share your experience section like you can see here. Notice that the share button is missing. Can you see how powerful this feature is? They can still write a review and the funnel will collect and save it for you, but it'll only be for your own internal use. If they had a bad experience, you can reach out to them to see if there's anything that you can do to resolve the issue. What's so powerful is that only positive feedback will get shared onto your Amazon listing. Pretty awesome, right? So not only will you get more reviews with this strategy, you can avoid getting bad reviews. And on top of that, instead of Amazon keeping your customers' information from you, you can now collect and build your very own email list to market to them, follow up, launch new products, or whatever your marketing strategy needs are. So if you've made it this far into the video, I'm pretty sure I've convinced you that this is the best insert card strategy to get reviews, and you want to know how you can set this up for yourself. Well, this is the best part. You don't need a website. You don't need to write any code. You don't need to hire a web designer. I've created this powerful tool for you that makes setting all of this up ridiculously simple. Head on over to reviewscango.com, and in just 5 easy steps, you can create your own smart funnel. Choose what type of gift you'd like to offer, from a gift card, a coupon code, a free gift, a digital download like an ebook or warranty. And if you don't want to offer a gift, you can even just collect email addresses if you want and focus on building your email list. ReviewScan Go will automatically generate a unique QR code for you that you can download and print onto your insert cards. And best of all, ReviewScan Go is 100% Amazon compliant. Your customers are never incentivized to leave you only positive reviews, and they're not required to leave you a review in order to redeem their free gift. The two key rules in Amazon's review guidelines. And handling your claims is extremely easy. Each time a customer makes a redemption, you'll be able to verify and process each claim in your claims dashboard. You can see all of your stats about your claims here at the top, and you can even download all of your customers' data in a convenient CSV file so that you can add them to your email marketing and lead tracking tools. You can also see a list of all of your customers' claims here. You can see the customer that made the claim, the order ID, what platform and marketplace they purchased your product from, when they submitted the claim, what promotion they're redeeming, their feedback, and if the claim has been processed or not. If you click on the customer's name, you can see their personal information, claims history, such as if they're a repeat customer, and if they've made more than one claim, you'll see it here. You can also see the written review they left you, and it even tells you if they clicked on the Share on Amazon button and was redirected to your Amazon product detail page here. You can also see the status of the claim here. If you need to process the claim or make any changes, you can click on this icon here. On this page, you can see the details of the individual claim, what promotion they're claiming. In this case, it's a $5 Amazon gift card that will be digitally delivered by email. You can see here that this is the code that would be sent to them, and it will be delivered to their email address here. You can see that since this claim hasn't been processed yet, it says email has not been delivered. So in this example, once you've verified the order by cross-checking the order ID, you can deliver this code to your customer by clicking on the Send Gift by Email button here. Once delivered, you can see when it was delivered and what code was sent to your customer. And as you can see, it automatically marked this claim as processed. However, if you made a mistake, you can unprocess it and resend the gift if you need to. Now, if you were offering a digital download like an ebook or extended warranty card, like you can see here, you can see that instead of a coupon code or a free gift, this warranty card will be emailed instead. Now, if you were offering a free gift like this snorkel mask, you can see that it needs to be shipped, and you can see the customer's address here. Now, creating campaigns is extremely easy. On your campaigns dashboard, you can see all of your current campaigns. You can see what promotion is linked to each campaign, how many products are linked to the campaign, how many customers have made a redemption, when the campaign was created, and the current status of the campaign. Active campaigns are live and ready for your customers to scan the QR code on your insert cards. If you set the campaigns to inactive, then it's not accepting claims. You can even preview the funnel by clicking the preview link here. You'll be able to see exactly what your customers see when they scan the QR code. So to create a new campaign, just click on the Create New Campaign button here and give the campaign a name. You then have two types of campaigns to choose from. You can either create a campaign that offers your customers a promo of some kind, or if you don't want to offer a free promo, you can create a campaign that only collects your customers' email addresses. So for example, let's say you want to offer a promotion. Choose Promotions. Select a promotion to link to the campaign from the drop-down list here. This is what the customer will get when they complete the funnel. If you haven't created any promotions, you can create a new one by clicking here. And I'll show you how to create a promotion in a minute. Now, choose your products that are linked to this campaign. These are the products your customers would have purchased from you. The insert card included with these products that you choose here need to have this campaign's QR code printed on them. Every campaign you create will have its own unique QR code, so when the customer buys one of these products selected in the campaign, scanning the QR code will lead them to this campaign's funnel. I'll show you how to get the QR code in a second. Now, if your product isn't on this list, again, you can add a new product by clicking here, and I'll show you how to do that in a minute. Now, in the Marketplaces section, choose which marketplaces the products you've chosen are being sold. You need to choose this correctly because your customers will choose the marketplace they purchased your product from, and based on their selection, they'll be redirected to your Amazon product detail page to leave their review. So let's say I'm selling these products in the US marketplace, Canada, and the UK. Now, in the branding section, you can personalize your funnel by adding your own logo and link to your website. You can upload your brand logo, brand name, and website URL here. You can even add a custom-made tracking pixel here. And lastly, you can customize each campaign here in the options section. If you want to make it so that your customers have to leave you a review in order to complete their claim, then check this option. Otherwise, your customers don't have to leave a review. You can set a minimum review length here. The default is 40 characters. For products that you're selling on Amazon, you can choose to collect product reviews or seller feedback. And this option here will enable the Smart Funnel option. And like I showed you earlier, this is what makes Review Scan Go unique and your funnels so powerful. If you enable the Smart Funnel option, then if your customer chooses any feedback other than very satisfied or somewhat satisfied, for example, they choose one of these 3 options here, then on the last step of the funnel, they will not be asked to share the review on your Amazon product detail page. Notice that the Share Your Experience section is missing here, and there's no share button. How powerful is that? Now, with the Smart Funnel option disabled, the funnel will always display the Share Your Experience section and the share button. And here, you can set the default language for this funnel. Okay, once you're done, click Create Campaign, and you'll see your new campaign on your dashboard. If you click on the Edit button, you can review the campaign settings or make any changes to it. And if you scroll down to the bottom, you can see that a QR code was automatically generated for you here. This QR code is unique for this campaign only, and this QR code will never change, regardless if you make any changes to the settings. That way, you never need to reprint the insert cards if you make any changes to the campaign. Now, anytime this QR code is scanned, it will take your customers straight to this campaign's Smart Funnel. If you want to test it out, you can actually scan this QR code with your mobile device or click the preview button here, and you can see exactly what your customers will experience. Pretty cool, right? Now, if you only wanted to collect email addresses, then instead of choosing promotions here, choose reviews. Then fill in the rest of the options like we did before. The only difference is there's no promotion setting here or in the funnel since you're not offering a free gift. Now, to create a new promotion, go to your promotions dashboard by clicking on promotions in the menu here. On your dashboard, you can see a list of all of your existing promotions. You can see the type of promotion here. For example, this one is a gift card. This one is a discount code, and this one is a digital download. You can see how many campaigns the promotion is linked to here and when the promotion was created. To create a new promotion, click on the Add a New Promotion button here. Give the promotion a name. It helps to be descriptive here so you can easily identify it. If you want to upload an image for the promotion, you can upload the image file here. Otherwise, the default image shown here will be used. Now, here's where you can choose the type of promotion that you want to create. You can choose from a gift card. This would be a physical card that you would mail to your customers, or an e-gift card, a discount code, a free product, or a digital download like an ebook, warranty card, or instruction manual. Each option will have slightly different options that you'll have to fill in. So for example, if you choose discount code, fill in the description here. You can provide details about the promotion, terms and conditions, or any other related information. You can also just copy the example here and modify it to suit your needs. Now in the code type section, you can choose from 2 types. Does everyone use the same code, or does each customer get a different code? If everyone gets the same code, then choose same code for everyone and enter that code here. This is the code that will be emailed to your customer. If everyone gets a different code, then choose single-use code for each customer, and then enter a list of codes here. And each time a customer makes a redemption, the next code on your list will be assigned to that customer, and then the code is removed from the list. If you run out of codes, then you can add more codes to the promotion at any time. You can add them one by one, or you can upload them in bulk in a CSV file here. You can see the delivery method in this case is set to digitally delivered. Now, depending on the type of promotion, you may get the option to physically ship, such as if you're offering a free gift. Now, in the approval method section, choose how you want to verify each claim. If you want to manually verify each claim, for example, you want to check if the order ID exists and the claim is legitimate, then choose Manually Approve and Deliver. Otherwise, if you just want to automatically deliver the code, then choose Automatic without approval. If you choose this option, then as soon as your customers complete the funnel, the code or digitally download file will be automatically emailed to your customer. Now, if you choose free product, which means you're going to ship a free gift to your customers, you can see you only have the description section here to fill in. The delivery method is already set to ship to customer, and the approval method is defaulted to manually approve and deliver. Since you have to ship the item out yourself, it can't automatically approve and deliver. And if you choose digital download, instead of entering a coupon code or list of codes, you need to upload the file here. This is the file that will be emailed to your customer. It must be in PDF format. And notice the delivery method is automatically set to digitally deliver. Okay, and once you've created your promotion, you'll be able to see and edit it from the promotions dashboard. And in your campaigns, you'll be able to choose it from the drop-down list to link it to the campaign, as you can see here. Now, to add products to your account, go to your products dashboard. On your dashboard, you can see a list of all the current products you've already added here. You can see the ASIN here. And if you're selling on other platforms such as eBay, Walmart, or Etsy, you'll see the item IDs here. You can also see how many campaigns each product is currently linked to and when the product was added. To add a new product, click on the Add Product button here. Enter the product's name. And for products that you're selling on Amazon, copy and paste the product ASIN here. You can find the ASIN in Seller Central on your Manage Inventory page. It always starts with a B0. Make absolutely sure that you've entered the ASIN correctly, and that's because ReviewScan needs the correct ASIN in order to redirect your customers to the proper Amazon product detail page for them to share their review. Now, if you're selling on any of these other platforms, then enter the product or listing IDs here. Then upload a photo of your product. I suggest using the main photo from your Amazon listing. Then click on Submit. If you need to make any changes to the product, you can edit it from the dashboard here. And now in your campaigns, you'll be able to choose this product to link it to the campaign. And it's as simple as that. Once your first campaign is set up, simply download the QR code and print it onto your insert cards and start collecting emails and reviews to boost your Amazon sales. ReviewScan Go has a free trial, so you can join right now and create your first campaign for free and test it out for yourself. I'll leave a link down in the description below. Now, this video right over here will show you several other powerful ways to get even more reviews, especially for a product launch.